Welcome back to my channel. And today we are set out.
Big bit.
Yes, beta. And today we are set out for the zoo.
हाँ आप सही सुन रहे होगे, हम पहले भी गए हैं बट वापस इसलिए जा रहे हैं क्योंकि बच्चे हैं एंड दैट इज द ओनली प्लेस दैट दे कैन एंजॉय फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. इसलिए हम सोच रहे हैं कि आज फिर से जाते हैं.
See how that bike is going. That persons are going. They are not lifting their leg up. It is quite dangerous, right, Shona?
Let me see, Mama. Let me see.
Shona, you still haven't remembered the way to the zoo, have you?
That red car.
What that red car is doing?
Go to me up and down.
That car was not doing up and down to you. It is the speed breaker. Who does it?
To me.
To our car.
To our car.
Our car goes up and down. That's why we go up and down. जहाँ जाओ वहाँ पे खाली कंस्ट्रक्शन ही कंस्ट्रक्शन है ना. मतलब 3-4 साल से हर जगह यही देखने मिल रहा है. प्रगति कर रहा है देश, है ना अन्ना. Do you know why I have bought you this pant? Because even if you will fall, you will not, pant will not look dirty, very dirty. The dirt will not be visible on this pant. Anvi and his papa is going to get zoo tickets. This girl keeps riding in her father's arms all through the zoo. And this boy walks around on his own as long as he has strength. And then he also wants to be carried. And ahead, a jungle safari is being built, which is a 4D cinema theater. For advertising, they say, this is not Dubai, this is Indore. It means something from Dubai is being built here first only in Indore across India. Look at how chill the squirrel is going. For me, squirrel is the most energetic animal. And the poor papa has coaxed his daughter to walk.
You know, there is zebra. Black strip, white zebra. Come. Not lion, zebra.
Zebra. What is he eating? Do you know? He is eating carrots. See, he's eating carrots. Many people think that this is crocodile, but no, this is not crocodile, this is alligator. As soon as we entered the zoo, Anvi was pestering me for halwa. Yeah, eat fast, we have to go, otherwise lion will sleep. See, this is crocodile. Crocodile, alligator, they might look alike, but crocodile, alligator, they are very different. Throughout the whole vlog, this is the only place where you can see all of us together for the time. Did you see the black swan?
Come, I will see the tiger now. Come. Anu saw the black swan. Come.
See how that monkey is doing. He's playing with that net. Did you see? Look at these blue bulls, but they don't look blue at all. It is said that the males are blue and the females are brown. Kids have been swapped here. Ayan is with Papa and Anvi is chilling in my arm right now. We have come here, I think, the 4th time, but still we find so many new animals. This only wolf will come to you. See, no, not on this side. You can see, you see from here. See, it's sitting on the top.
उसको गोदी ले लो अन्ना को.
Papa, wolf.
Yes. चंदू देख के अन्ना को.
Anna, wolf.
This will come in right.
Yes.
It will bite me.
Yes.
एक बहुत बड़ा टाइगर है चंदू रे, है ना?
Yes.
कितना मस्त आराम कर रहा है जैसे.
He's lying so relaxed like a human. Last time we saw many.
दूसरा टाइगर है.
Okay, but last time there were 2 to 3 tigers. 2 tigers are there.
Mama, young.
Long, it's very long, yes.
Come, I'll show you the tiger.
One is here and the next
See the
one is
tiger.
here.
Tiger!
Look, the tiger is resting on a raised platform. Where?
है देखो वहाँ.
Oh, it's over there. So many tigers here. One of them is resting way inside.
See एक और देखो यहाँ है खाने की.
Where?
है देखो वो तो.
One more tiger is standing there asking for food.
See from here. See tiger. That is tiger. खाना मांग रहा है उसको.
Yes, he is hungry too. Anu is a good girl. She is eating apple. But if you think that I will give you dosa, you are wrong. No, I'm not
अभी
going to
सब
give
खाने
you.
के लिए रुके हैं.
We are going to see lion. Come, you hold Papa's hand. Then I will shoot.
See lion lying on the ground.
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
He's all sleepy.
He's not waking up.
I told you, if you will delay, he will sleep. See, he slept.
Papa is
Sit down.
tired.
Papa is tired. See, there is one more viewing platform to see the lion, but the lion hasn't woken up. So what we will do after going up there? The school kids also has visited zoo today. This is the same school where we wanted them to get admit this year. But now we are planning to not let them go school because I thought of teaching them at home for now.
We'll finish our food and then we'll go. Okay. We'll
Okay.
leave from here. Okay. चला जाओ.
Wow. What are you eating?
Juju baby. I'm Juju baby.
I also had some. I know I shouldn't eat, but I couldn't resist myself. Now we are going back home. Oh yes, we have to go to elephant first. We'll meet elephant and then we'll go home. Home is also missing you.
Home is sky.
Okay. Leopard.
दिन बहुत दौड़ रहा था.
Where it
Last
is?
time जब आए थे तो I don't know किधर है.
I'm not able to find him.
Last time
I think he's in the cage.
we have some.
No leopard. How do you laugh?
Then we are in the zoo.
Huh? We are in the zoo. Did you see the elephant?
See, listen.
Come, let me tie your shoelace. Yeah. Sit here.
Clean.
It is not clean, but still we'll sit.
And we eat food.
We'll not eat food. We'll go to our car now. See the elephant. Hey, see, elephant is eating by his trunk. Yeah. That is his mouth. Like we eat our.
Just under the trunk.
Like we.
Underneath the
like
trunk.
we take our food with the help of hand. Similarly, he takes his food with the trunk. Yes.
You're not drunk.
He do not have hand. See, he will eat now.
And you do not have trunk.
And you don't have trunk. उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है खाना, सूखा सूखा है.
हाँ,
इसलिए
सूखा
इंतजार
सूखा.
कर रहा हूँ.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है. He's not enjoying today's food. Today's food is not good.
चलो चंदा चलेंगे.
I was planning to get myself clicked with the kids here, but in between my daughter suddenly remembered how we left Papa behind. For her, outside means only Papa.
ओके चंदा चले.
Yes.